Hi everybody, Scratchtastic Scratcher here. If you were here watching the crosswords earlier, welcome back for this evening's episode. I got winner chicken dinner. I haven't had the best luck on this game yet, but I'm hoping that my fortunes will change with these. Got tickets 21 through 28. Can win $250,000. There's 2 bonus spots there. You're looking for it to say 50. Anything else is no good. Matching number game. You can find a 5X. Well, I'm hoping to find a 5X or that chicken to win all the prizes. So, ticket 21 from a book 9. Odds of 1 in 4.77. Cash prize odds of 1 in 7.42. I bought all these tickets on day 1, so I'm hoping this is the chunk that wins a lot. We'll see. All right, everybody, if you want to wish me luck or show support, I really do appreciate a thumbs up. If you like scratch-off content, I do post it daily, all different types of California lottery tickets. And I do go live time to time. If you like live streams, make sure you are subscribed with the notifications turned on. That way you'll know when I'm live. All right, let's see. Clover and a crown. All right. Let's see if there's a 5X or a chicken. No. Maybe a match. 21. Nope. 36, no. Number 28 doesn't do it. 26, no good. And number 9, tough game, man. All right, ticket 22. Hopefully someone out there is winning on it. Okay, ticket 22 is no bonuses. No fancy symbols. 3, no match there. 34, nope. Number 12 doesn't do it. 14, no good. How about 32? Nope. Might go hungry tonight. There might not be a chicken dinner for me. All right, ticket 23. It's $40 in. Hopefully I can get that much back out at least. There we go, 5X. My first 5X on the game. Okay, let's see if there's matches to go along with that. Hopefully that's a really good 5X. 32, nope. 13, no. 29, no good. 27, nope. And 8. All right, let's see how good I'm eating tonight. All right, 20 bucks ain't bad. All right, I'll take it. That's half the money back. Let's see if we can get some more wins. I got 5 tickets left to go. Let's see here. No 50s. Here we go. 31, nope. 27, no good. Number 34 is not there. No luck on 3. And an 11, no. All right, ticket number 26. Here we go. Crown and a ring. Looking for a match. No match to that one. 35, nope. Number 9, nope. No 3. And unfortunately, no 10 either. All right, I'm going to try to get one more win at least. Ticket 27. No 50s. Okay, 17 looks like it has some big zeros. Give me one of those. 39, no. 28, not there. 21, no go. 37, Nope. And what we got? A 13. No winner there. We got 2 left to go. Come on, ticket 24. Let's have a chicken feast. Okay, no symbols. 13, no. Oh no, 13 is a win. All right, we got a winner again. All right, no 12. 24, nope. A 34, no. And an 8. Okay, 13, what do you got? A ticket. Okay, we're up to 25 out of 40. Last ticket of this session, ticket 28. Let's go. All right. Come on, chicken or 5X. Love to see another 5X. Nope. Need a match. 25. No match in there. A 29. Nope. No luck with number 15. 32. No. And if you've been here before, you know I'm going to tease this last number. Ending with a 9. Oh, man. Nothing ending with 9. And it's just a 9. Well, at least I found a multiplier. I'm happy about that. And we got over half back. So I'll take it and put it towards another day's worth of videos. All right, everybody. I hope you enjoyed watching me scratch these tickets off with you today. If you're playing these games, I do wish you lots of luck. Hope you're winning big. And we'll see you next time. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.